Hey everyone, welcome back to Try Before You Cry. Today, we're diving deep into the LEVOIT Air Purifier for home allergies and pet hair. We'll be checking out its performance based on Amazon customer reviews, comments, and real-world tests. Let's see if it's worth your money. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Join our community of savvy shoppers who want the real deal before they buy. So, the LEVOIT Air Purifier Core 300P. Ever feel like your home air isn't as fresh as it could be? This air purifier claims to tackle allergies, pet hair, dust, smoke, and odors. It's from LEVOIT, a well-known brand in air purification. Available on Amazon, it usually sells for $99.99, but right now it has a 15% discount, bringing the price down to $84.99. Sounds good, right? But does it really work? Is it powerful enough for your space? Let's investigate. This falls into the home and kitchen / heating, cooling, and air quality / air purifiers / HEPA air purifiers category. Let's see if it cleans like it says. Let's get technical for a moment. This LEVOIT air purifier is AHAM verified, which means it's been independently tested for air cleaning performance, safety, and energy efficiency. It boasts a 56W high-torque motor and a CADR, clean air delivery rate of 143 CFM for smoke, 153 CFM for dust, and 167 CFM for pollen, effectively covering up to 1,073 square feet. It uses a 3-in-1 HEPA filter to capture particles down to 0.1 microns. It's also ETL and CARB certified. Multiple filter choices are available, like toxin absorber, smoke remover, and pet allergy filter. Noise level can go as low as 24 dB. Replacement filters must be LEVOIT original ones. The unit consumes 33 watts. Does that sound impressive? We'll see what users are saying. Digging through the reviews, customers generally praise the LEVOIT Core 300P for its quiet operation and effectiveness. Many report a noticeable improvement in air quality, especially in reducing dust and wildfire smoke. One user said, "After 2 days of using it, I can say that I feel an immediate difference. I slept through the night last night for the first time in weeks." Another commented, "Within just a few days of running it, our family felt a huge difference. No more stuffy noses. The air in the room feels cleaner and smells fresher." However, some users experienced issues like rattling noises after a few weeks of use, or even a chemical smell. One person wrote, "After 2 months of continuous operation, we picked up on an awful smell in the room. Our noses led us to the purifier, which smelled like melting chemical plastic." There are a few mentions of inconsistent quality, with some receiving what appeared to be used units. It seems like quality control is important, so check your product on arrival. Overall, the LEVOIT Air Purifier Core 300P seems to be a decent choice for improving air quality in smaller to medium-sized rooms, especially if you struggle with allergies or have pets. The AHAM certification and positive user feedback on air purification are definitely pluses. However, be aware of potential quality control issues and the possibility of noise or odor problems developing over time. The 2-year warranty is reassuring, but it's always best to do your research and check the return policy before purchasing. Thanks for watching. We hope this review helped you decide whether the LEVOIT Air Purifier Core 300P is right for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews, unboxings, and deals. Check the description for links to the product and any relevant discounts. See you in the next video!